This is the DC Sports Front Chassis Brace, or tie bar if you're not crazy, for the 9th Gen Civic SI. This one-piece bar keeps your front end stiff before you need a diff. By mounting the bar's cup-shaped ends at these two bolt points, this can reduce the chassis flex and make handling the off-ramps more fun. After the installation, we had less torque steer. The bolts on this ex-Winnipeg car have rusted nicely, but as a wise man once said, rust is lighter than carbon fiber. With some WD-40 or PB Blaster and a fully charged impact wrench, the bolts were out in no time, cleaned and greased to go back in. Having two people helps to get the bar in place, get the threads in place, the bar in place, and torque the bolts to spec. This is also a good time to realize that taking off the wheel gives you more room for leverage, and can fit the entire torque wrench inside. Note to self.
Did you hear it?
I think I heard it. Give it a light shake to ensure everything's in place, and admire your finished product.
It's solid.
Awesome.